In today's video, I'll show you how to empty the dust box on MOVA Z60 Ultra. The dust box is located in the robot. It automatically empties itself once it finishes a cleaning task, or if it's set differently in the settings, like different than the default option, and then according to the settings. But you can empty it manually, and it's useful for cleaning because you should manually clean the dust box every 2 months, and also the filter should be cleaned every 2 months manually. So you can remove the lid that is attached magnetically, then remove the dust box by pushing on this button right here. Squeeze it like that, and now it's removed. Then you can press on this button right here, remove the filter, and empty the dust box. You should also clean both the filter and the dust box. You can clean them with a brush, but preferably with water. But cleaning it with water will require you to let it air dry for at least 24 hours before you put them back together and back into the robot to prevent mold. Once they are dried out after 24 hours in the air, you can put them back in, close the lid, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.